Okay, so welcome back. I did work out what was going on, and it's because of the way the main content is actually being put in the header.php. So if I open the file index.html, so where we've got this so index.html, so where we've got this blog content is actually being executed as part of the header, where we've put the site content. So what I'm going to do is drop to the container. So I'm going to remove this class from here. This is the index.html. I'm going to container, and I'm going to add this class and go blog content and assign. So that drops back down. And now when we save, and in our singular.html, sorry, back to our singular.html, under that content, we've removed it. So basically we needed to move the class from the main content and drop it into the container that we're using. So I've now done that. If we go WordPress export the theme, and I go refresh, and now we're having the win. But if I go to blog, it's still dropping that down, because on the blog page, instead of being under the main content, it's now on the first container, which is what we wanted. All right, so let's have a look at the posts, and we can see our post is here. Now I actually want that post, because we're working on the singular, this is posts and pages, I actually want that content drop down, like the blog index. I don't want it for the home page, but if you remember rightly, we're using a different template for the home page. So I'm going to jump back into I'm going to close the index.html. I'm going to jump back into the singular.html, and I'm going to click on that container fluid. I'm going to add that class blog content and hit assign. That drops it down, so now we can save and export the theme. So just to recap, we just had to move the class to reassign it. So you can see our post is dropped down there, which is what we want. We don't want our page and post content underneath there, but on the home page we do. So at the moment the home page is done, is dropped below that header. Hey, you might like that. If you do, by all means leave it. I'm going to have that sit over the top, so it's going to look like this on the home page, which is what we're going to cover off in the next video. So in the next video we'll cover off the home page, and that will begin wrapping things up for this tutorial. I hope you're getting something out of it. I hope it means a lot to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.